Hello. Today, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to add profile picture or logo on Instagram account. Let's try to do it. First, open your Instagram app. Here is your brand new Instagram account. Click on this right bottom side profile icon. Click on your account's profile icon. Here are two options you have. You need to do is to click on Add Profile Photo. You have two options here. Just choose one that you want. I'm choosing the first one. After that, you are in your gallery. Just select your logo or picture and click on the right top side arrow icon. Here apply any filter if you want. And you also edit your photo from here. After you are done, just click on the same icon once again. Wow, your profile picture has been updated now. Surely this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others. Thanks for watching.